Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by defining what the document must do and why. This drives prompts and structure. First, pick an AI service, local model for privacy versus cloud for scale, and collect an outline, keywords, tone, and any source text. Then set the document specs like page size, margins, and docx export so the AI generates correctly formatted content. Once done, craft a focused prompt, context, sections, desired length, and sample sentence to anchor style. Now you generate the content in stages so the output stays organized. Send the AI the prompt in chunks, create headings first, then request sections, and finally ask for paragraph-level drafts. Use a template for title page, table of contents, headings, lists, and citation placeholders. This ensures consistent formatting when exported to docx. If a section is off, iterate, tighten the instruction, limit or expand word counts, and ask for rewrites until sections match your tone and accuracy targets. Finish by exporting the AI output to docx or paste into Word and apply built-in styles for headings, lists, and captions. Then run grammar and consistency checks, update metadata like author and keywords, and embed images with captions. If formatting breaks, reapply word styles or regenerate only the problematic section with a targeted prompt. This is faster than full regeneration. One troubleshooting tip: if lists or tables misalign, convert them to plain.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.